Hi, I'm Sven. One more thing about the potential of optimization. We always talk about the power and saving potential of optimization, but there is so much to do and to learn before making use of it, right? Well, no. Starting the journey to detect and quantify optimization potential is actually quite easy. Let's have a look at it. Welcome to Obtaino. I think every company is painfully aware that there is potential for optimization. But there are two questions that seem to be hard to answer: how to locate the potential and how to quantify it. Any optimization journey starts with these questions. And mind you, there is no need to answer these exhaustively, right? It's totally sufficient to find an answer to actually save something. So let's start with creating a sketch of our most important processes. Or maybe we already have a specific candidate that we want to look into in more details. And when I say sketch, I mean a literal sketch. Visualizing it using boxes and arrows is incredibly helpful. When we do this, someone will say something like, "Oh, well, that step is particularly useless, or painful, or costly." Mark it. This is the pain that will show up automatically. After that, we add ballpoint estimates to every step in terms of time, money, or any other resource that we want to optimize. And really, let's stick to estimates. No need to get lost in the details. Now we take the pain points, the costly steps, and we think about alternatives. Is there anything we can already do? Or are there any alternatives that we can dream of? What would it cost? Wow! That's already a visual overview of an optimization problem. The alternatives are at hand. Already now we can use it to quantify the savings if we would change our processes and pick some of the alternatives. This is a start, but I place a bet that if we just got the numbers, the potential, that might convince managers to really do something about our processes. Also, now our managers know the concept, because if it gets more complicated, and it will if we are serious, that's where the automatic optimization kicks in. But that's a story to tell after we enjoyed getting all the credits for being an optimization expert. Identifying potential for optimization is not as hard as it seems. It's actually surprisingly easy to start with. The core idea is to sketch our processes, mark the pain points and the costs, and line out possible alternatives. Now we can calculate the savings we can reap in if we invest in changes. And if you're interested in a kickstart, Obtaino offers introductory workshops to support you in starting your optimization journey. See you next time and stay safe!